Okay, question number 13. It's a compound interest questions with a starting amount in the bank of 8,000 and then 6 years later it is 8,877.62. For a compound interest question, that means that there's a multiplier to get us from 8,000 to the final value that's been applied 6 times, so to the power of 6. Okay, just working out what that multiplier is the first part of the problem. Okay, the interest rate is X. So each year your starting account will go up by 100 and X%. Okay, so 100 plus the X percentage will increase the bank by that percentage each year. Now, if we turn that into decimals, so we can put it in our calculator, divide that through by 100 as a decimal, you get 1 plus X over 100. Okay, that's turning the decimal percentages into, that's turning the percentages into decimals, so we can get it into our calculators. So here's the equation that we're going to set up. Look, 8,000 times the decimal multiplier to the power of 6, because it's 6 years, equals the final answer. Okay, divide through by the 8,877. Get rid of the to the power of 6 by rooting to the power of 6, the 6th root. There we go. So we've got the final number divided by the starting number, the 6th root of that. That gives us a decimal. All right. Now don't forget that we got to take 1 off of this decimal, because that is the multiplier and not the interest rate that we need. And you're left with the actual decimal value of the interest rate being 0.0175, but don't forget that's a decimal value, so we need to multiply back through by this 100 to turn it into a percentage. Okay, so we should get 1.75 as our final answer.